Hey, what's going on, my friend? Keenith here. I'm glad you're landing here on my video today. Today, I'm going to be talking about my 18th month income proof, because if you've been watching my videos, this is my road, a 24-month road to a six-figure income. And of course, you know, I believe in documentation beats conversation. So I want to show people by putting in the work. Okay, let me make this income disclosure before I get started. This is no guarantee of income. Results may vary, totally depending on your work ethic, your skill set. But again, this is something that really makes sense for you. And if you're willing to put in the work, you can achieve some success here. Okay, so this is my 24-month road to a six-figure income. This is my 18th month. So I want to get into it a little bit because, guys, I'm telling you, this is something that just makes total sense for a lot of people. Okay. My focus is to help people get out of debt, start creating some wealth for themselves. And we have a way to do it by presenting something that makes sense for you from a personal standpoint, you see? So let's get right into this, guys. Here with Savings Highway Global, we have 7 different value stacks here. Okay, first we talk about travel. People starting to travel more. They will much rather travel at wholesale as opposed to retail, right? Then we have our daily savings club where you save on everyday shopping items, you know, going out to major retailers, saving money on doing that. Again, it's all about saving money, folks. This just makes sense. Now, we also have our mentors club. We show you different techniques on how to market a business, self-development, how to build your mindset. You know, with all the negativity going on, you need something positive to focus on to change your mindset. You need to hang around people with that mindset that are going somewhere, folks. Don't listen to all the negativity in the news. It can drag you down mentally. It drains you. You want to come out of that, and the way you do that is by a list of positive self-development from folks that are actually making things happen in a positive way. All right. Then we have our tax savers program showing you how to take advantage of major tax deductions that are only allowed to who? Business owners, especially a home-based business, because you get more deductions there, right? So we show you how to do that. Then we talk about lowering your existing bills that you're already paying on, being able to lower those existing bills so you have more money to put towards debt to get out of debt more quickly, right? Then we have our Masters Marketers Club, again, where we show you how to market a business. Then we have our 5-diamond vacation, guys. This is just a no-brainer. A 5-star vacation that you get when you come at the platinum level. Now, to come at the platinum level, it's only $100, folks. $100 a month. That's it. Think about this. Something that saves you more than you spend. So if I spent $100 a month, that's $1,200 a year, right? And I get a vacation valued at $3,200. That's a win just for that. We're not even talking about all the other stuff I talked about. But what I'm really excited about is our new addition, which is, let's go over there. Our new healthcare plan, folks. Revolutionary healthcare, folks. This is going to help so many people out there. So many people out there. If you are an insurance agent and you sell health insurance, this is going to blow your mind. We're talking about major committees. Let me just kind of go over a few things that may rash your berry. All right, so we look down through here. There's a little video, kind of breaks everything down. But think about this. Health insurance, life insurance agents, entrepreneurs, this is for you guys, okay? Because now you're in a position to help a lot of people. And again, what's our focus? To help people get out of debt, to help people save money, to help people generate additional income. Here we have it here. Now, think about this. When you can present 0 deductibles for healthcare. Now, this is not health insurance. This is a healthcare plan, right? Less than half the cost of national average on regular premiums with, regular premium on insurance. Boom. Big time savings. No pre-existing conditions. That's big. When you have pre-existing conditions, guys, it's hard to get health insurance. So we have this healthcare plan where you can come on board. Diabetes, heart issues, pregnancy accepted right here with this health plan, guys. This is huge. Just for that, it's a win, right? One of the largest national PPOs in the United States, PCHS, all right? So they got a large network. Doctor visits, low as $20, guys. Typically save 20 to 40% less expensive than insurance, traditional insurance. That's pretty powerful. Let's see, chiropractic, other services included, dental, vision, and hearing discount plans included. Wow, guys, this is huge. Prescription discounts. All right, all of it's here, folks. And when you couple all that together, when you can have all these different streams of income, and it only takes $100 to be able to make money in this company in a major, major way to take advantage of selling things like our health plan, like our lower your bills. But you can get started for as low as $20. Now, you won't be able to sell this policy, but you'll be able to get the policy, right? You may need a healthcare plan, right? So you'll be able to do that for as low as $20, take advantage of all the different savings that we have, right? And then work your way up till you can become a platinum for only $100 a month and take advantage of all the benefits and make money on this. Okay, so let's get right into why you came here, guys, to see the proof. Hopefully, this is not to brag or impress anyone. This is nice income, especially when we paid like $100 to get started, right? My wife and I, and we're gonna just show you the proof. So let's get into it. So we're gonna go over my business site right here, Legacy Group, and you can see here in the 18 months we've been involved, guys. You can see our total is $16,634.69. I ask you, is it worth a $100 bill, $100 per month? Guys, we've never paid $100 because we started making income, so they took the monthly out of our earnings. So we've never paid the $100, really, That's pretty doggone cool. So let's go to my personal website, the Keenith website. Now, as you can see here, we made a total so far of $27,056.68. Not bad. Now, this may not be mind-blowing income, but what this does, guys, it gives you a start. Where can you go and create? My goal is to create a six-figure income in 24 months. Where can you do that? Again, when you have something that helps you personally, okay? This just makes sense for you personally, right? Then we have our next site. This is my wife's site. Let's go there. Now, my wife's site, she's earned $7,986.45. Not bad, right? So again, we got to look at our investment. Don't be so skeptical that, you kind of trick your mind into saying, I don't know if it'll work for me. That kind of thing. When you see thousands of people winning, you can do your research. We're here, okay? So let's go to my wife's business site. Okay, Premier Lex here. So she's made a total in our business $20,960.31. So in our household, in 18 months, we brought in $72,638.13, folks. We made a beneficial decision that's going to help us in our household. We've saved so much money. Hands down, it's paid for the membership. We're not even talking about the money we made. Just the savings alone is just well worth the investment. We're glad we made the investment. When you talk about sharing it with others and being able to generate an additional income stream, so think about what we do, because I'm an investor also, guys. I'm able to take that money and put it into the market. For my team members, I shed light on what I'm, investing in, But again, you can take that money and multiply that money. Guys, I'm telling you, this is how you build wealth. And so if you need a strategy, we have that as well. I have a strategy that I teach people where we go from step one to step to the Z, A to Z. Walk you through. We have professionals that will actually walk you through how to build wealth, how to create the wealth, how to save, make, and grow your money. All right, so if you're interested in that, you'll see a link in the description on that. But guys, it's all about helping one another, folks. It's time out. It's okay to be skeptical, but again, you can't be skeptical and broke. It doesn't make sense. Why are the brokest people the most skeptical? You have to take some type of risk, right? So, but if you can minimize that risk, like something that benefits you in spite of you making any money, it saves you so much money. Having a home-based business, taking advantage of major tax deductions. Being able to save when you go out and shop, go grocery shopping, you're able to save with this membership here. Only $100 get started. Only $100. Think about this. $100 for each of our sites, which is $400, has created $72,638.13 for our family. And we take that money and invest it. And it multiplies that money, folks. And we do it, check this, all from the comfort of our home. Just like I'm here in my home right now, all right? So, again, folks, we have everything in place. We have training. All that is in place for you. That comes along with the membership, you know. Some of the training when you join our team, Team Legacy, I have proprietary training that I show you how to utilize the different techniques that I use to build my business, all from the comfort of my home. You get access to that as a member of our team. So, guys, what you want to do now is visit my website right there on the screen. Take a closer look. But you want to get involved with this, folks. I mean, this is just such a no-brainer. And if you need to pick up the phone and call me, there's my number right there on the screen. Pick up the phone, give me a call, get all your questions answered. But don't hesitate on this. This is a no-brainer. What's your worst-case scenario? You save on your tax, you save money on everyday spending, you lower your existing bills, you have a vacation at the end of the year. And guys, if you need a health plan, we got that for you now. You know? If you know someone needs a health plan, you can make money as a platinum member with our company. So with that, guys, I hope you see what I'm saying. I hope you see what all 1,000 other folks that experience the success from just the membership are having with our company. I would love to work with you. And with that, guys, we're going to see you at the top, not from the top, because you, and I do mean you, deserve the best. Take care. God bless.